Global Sealer Technologies, GST International, the finest sealers available. Our line of Wet Look Lacquers. GST International's Wet Look Lacquers are a solvent-based, crystal clear, deep penetrating barrier coating for decorative concrete, stone, natural, and manufactured hardscape surfaces. Our Wet Look Lacquers provide a water-wet appearance, which enhances and beautifies the natural colors of the surface. Wet Look Lacquers seal against food stains, gasoline, grease, oils, water, and acid. Its deep bonding formula resists peeling, chipping, cracking, and UV degradation. Made from the latest developments in solvent-based acrylic chemistry, Wet Look Lacquers deliver excellent resistance to the formation of efflorescence. Wet Look Lacquers help protect against spalling, dusting, freeze-thaw damage, and alkali degradation. It remains hard even under extreme sunlight and delivers superior wear resistance. Its VOC-compliant formula works great indoors and outdoors to provide a breathable barrier that allows moisture to escape from the coated surfaces. It is also effective as a joint sand stabilizer for interlocking pavers. Step-by-step application guide. Prior to sealing, a clean surface is mandatory. GST's Pro-Grade Cleaner will remove most tire marks and oil stains, as well as leaf, organic, and food or beverage stains. A surface cleaner using hot water will clean quicker and more efficiently. If efflorescence, rust, residual construction stains, or hard water stains are present, use GST's Clean Concrete to remove them first. It is important to rinse the Clean Concrete with Pro-Grade Cleaner to remove any other stains and neutralize the surface before sealing. This will ensure proper adhesion of the sealer. Rinse completely with water to remove all cleaner residue. Let the surface thoroughly dry 24 to 48 hours before sealing. For newly installed and/or freshly cleaned surfaces, remove loose dirt and debris with a leaf blower. A clean and dry surface, ready for sealing. Tamp down lawn or other vegetation close to the edges. Start by applying the sealer along the edges with a roller to protect landscaping or other materials from overspray. Masking tape can be used to protect adjacent surfaces. Or use a brush and roller to cut in close to structures. Do not use a roller to apply the sealer in the main body of your project. Rollers will leave lap lines and pick up sand in the joints and deposit it on the surface. Spray the sealer on with a GST sprayer, designed specifically for use with our solvent-based sealers. Apply Wet Look Lacquer using an overlapping circular motion. Vertical surfaces can be sealed in the same manner. A beautiful finish that will protect and enhance your hardscape surface. Protect and enhance your investment. Global Sealer Technologies, the finest sealers available. Please tap like and subscribe. And of course, your comments are always welcome. For more information about our products, visit our video gallery at gstinternational.com.